Hey guys, welcome back. Oh my god, why does it feel like you're really close? Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Excuse the state of me. I've got 15 minutes to turn myself around. So I know, good luck and goodbye basically. No, it's fine. It's only, that's the dog. It's only casual. I'm only meeting my mom, my granny, probably some of my aunties for lunch near where I live, which is very handy. So yeah, I'm just gonna freshen up my hair a little bit with a bit of baby powder because I only washed it 2 days ago, but my hair gets greasy so quickly, especially because I go to the gym and stuff most days, and I kind of got stuck in the rain a little bit last night. Even though I had my hood up, I still feel like your hair just gets, it always gets like here, and that's the worst part anyway, so it just needs a little freshen up. Also could do with getting my colour done soon, but I don't know if I'm gonna get a chance to now. Got a little bit of tan on my face actually, but I'm gonna use some CC cream because I wanna, well, it's foundation, kind of like a hybrid between the two, I feel like. I don't know, I think it's more meant to be a foundation, but a really light, comfortable one. So I'm gonna use SOSU CC main foundation. I love it. I've only tried the one shade, but they actually sent me 3, so they sent me 5, which is golden, 6, which is tan, that's the one I've been wearing a lot, and also 4 beige, which is a paler one. So I've tried tan and I really like the colour, but I'm not that tan today, so I might actually try it 5 today and see how that one is, because I did actually try it out, and actually my hair's not that bad. I think I'll still tie it up though, but I did try out the foundation on TikTok, and loads of people were asking about it and really interested, because obviously like everyone's raving about it, so everyone's interested in it, and I did a review on it, and then my TikTok got deleted. I didn't even have many followers on it, but like I feel like it does take a while to grow on it at the moment. Well, it's easier to grow on than like Instagram and stuff, but like it's still not that easy, do you know what I mean? Yeah, I'm kind of like, I have put a lot of time and effort into it, so I'm kind of like, I don't really want just all those videos to go to waste. Even though on the other hand I do think that it's probably nice to have a fresh start, but anyway, for now I thought I'd leave it for like a week and see if I get that one back, because I don't know if it's, it did say permanently banned, but then it just said suspended another time, so I'm not really sure. And I also tried to email them, but like I don't know if it's a legit email. I don't know if it if they'll actually get back to me, or what they'll say, or whatever, how long it takes. So yeah, I have done that, but for now I've got no TikTok, so that video is gone. Oh sorry. So I thought I would do a review on here anyway, and I'm really impressed with it. I've only used it probably less than 5 times, but I'm really impressed with it, so I wanted to show you guys on here and also do a little bit of a chat. Like I said, I only got 15 minutes, but it does only take me 15 minutes to do my makeup and everything, so we should be okay. It's very, very tough. So yeah, this one looks like quite a good colour. This is it here. Bobby never stops itching himself, like absolutely never stops. I'm just gonna put you on something else as well, because you're a bit low down. Okay, that's better. So yeah, my chest and stuff, like I had tan on the other day, do you get me? So it's not that fresh. Kind of regret pulling these out now, but here we are. So yeah, I'm just gonna quickly curl the ends of this, and then we'll quickly do our makeup. Oh, I should have done this before I tied it up. I always find it easier, because now it's just gonna pull it out of place. But however, what can you do? It's still kind of curled in at the ends from the last time I did it, but just needs a little freshen up, and that will do the job. So yeah, I'm planning on coming back from lunch and recording a little bit. It's gone very dull out. It was actually snowing earlier on, so that's perfect really. Thank god I don't have to drive too far. But yeah, I thought that I would record a bit when I get back, so that's why I'm going to the effort. Like, I'd easily just go like this to meet my family, but I thought I'll go all out today and do my makeup. I may as well do it for the 2 occasions. You know me, I love killing 2 birds with 1 stone. I'm sorry, I'm gonna have my mirror here because my eyesight is not good enough to like see the bigger one over there, so it's very annoying I have to look at this one because I don't have time to do contacts. So yeah, this is my first time using this colour, so it's still kind of a first impressions, but I also know that I really like it. So it's really nice, really comfortable. Like, I hate the feeling of makeup. This colour is perfect for every day. I can tell by the look. It's comfortable. I hate the feeling of too much makeup. It really, I can't do it like for during the day. Like, I'll make an exception for like a full-on night out or like a big occasion, but I always just can't wait to get home and take off my makeup. It is the one thing. I also forgot to tell you, I started telling you that I had tan on my face, but I had too many things I wanted to tell you in today's video, so I'm getting confused now. That colour matches up excellently. So I'd say number 4 would probably be really good with no tan whatsoever. But yeah, so the fake tan that I've got on my face is a tiny bit, just 1 squirt, and I think you're meant to do like 3 or something, way more, of Amy Connolly's tan drops. Love them, they're so good. I applied them last night and then I had my shower now and washed it off and stuff, and it's nice and natural. Like, I've got a tan, do you know what I mean? But yeah, I just did a tiny bit last night because I didn't want it to get all over my pillow. So yeah, this colour is really nice. It's very nice, very dark. They're really nice colours. They're like tanned colours. Like, they're orangey, not pinky, if you get me. I know that might not sound like a good thing to some people, but I hate a pinky toned foundation. There's nothing worse. So yeah, this really does feel like a CC cream. I can understand why they call it CC foundation or CC me in foundation. I've kind of heard people say both, even though the packet says CC me in foundation. So yeah, this is number 5. I might actually try a bit of 4 as well, because some parts of it I probably, like, my neck really could do with some tan on it. I don't really think there's any on it at the moment, so yeah, I think I'll try this one out too. So number 4 is the shade beige. I'm gonna do that one here beside that one that I haven't finished with yet. Oh, this one's, you can tell there's a massive difference, but it looks a bit better. I'd say the 2 of them, I'm kind of in between at the moment, but the 2 of them together will be nice. I'll do like the lighter one around the lighter kind of areas, I think, and then it should be perfect. But anyway, yeah, I love the coverage it gives me. Like, it's a lot nicer than just having a bit of tan on your face. It makes your skin a lot more even, but you can still see little, like, I can see my few freckles and stuff through it, so, which is a good thing because you want it to be natural. I mean, you definitely could just build it up and build it up as well if you didn't like that, but for everyday, like, you don't really want something really, really thick that covers like all of your skin. So I think it's absolutely perfect. I love it. It also lasts really, really nicely. Like, last time I wore it when I went to the Stella, and you know, the Stella cinema. Yeah, I was there for like a wine tasting and all, and then I came back and I was like, my makeup is so perfect. It was such a shame to take it off. So yeah, loved that. So yeah, I just love a natural base. I'm lucky I don't have really bad skin, but even if you did, I feel like it would definitely still make your skin like feel a lot better, you know. It must be so uncomfortable as well, like having such heavy makeup on all the time if you do feel like you've got bad skin. So it might be better to just cover up any spots with a bit of concealer and then do this and the rest or something. I don't know, but anyway, yeah, I love this. And I saw Suzanne Jackson put up loads of reviews that people had sent in, and they were amazing, of the foundation, so lots of people really like it. So yeah, I'm doing a bit of concealer now. Sorry, forgot to tell you, this is an Essence one. I really like this. It's a Skin Loving Sensitive one. I really like it now, so I really like the colour. Oh, the colour's gone off it. I think it's light. I think the shade's light. Anyway, yeah, I never finished about my TikTok. So yeah, my TikTok got deleted. I got no warnings, no nothing. I'm so confused. I got no emails to say that I'd broken any rules, and apparently you have to break them like, well, you have to be reported 5 to 6 times. So someone could have just reported me that many times, but I got no warnings. They must have like done them all. Maybe they don't tell you when you get a when you get a report. I don't know, but it's very odd. And then when I was googling about it, some guy said the same thing happened to him and stuff. So I don't know, and he had a video up on how to like appeal it to them, but I couldn't get that to work. It doesn't give me the option to appeal it on actual TikTok, so I had to send it some email that I found. Like, I don't know if it's legit. So yeah, like, thank God I don't have loads and loads of followers on it. Like, I'd be really upset. So yeah, I don't know if someone reported it 5 to 6 times or what happened, but I've put up very PG stuff. Like, TikTok's probably the most PG for me, I feel like. Like, I really don't put anything bad up at all. It's like mostly like daily vlogs and like, well, lately anyway, it's definitely like daily vlogs, like what I eat in a day, like fashion stuff. Like, I don't know, I don't get it, it's weird. And one day, like, because I've got not that many followers, I like noticed I went on and I'd lost like 20 something followers, like literally overnight. I was like, that's really odd. Like, I thought that it was like a glitch nearly. It was really strange because like that's a lot when you've only got like less than 500 followers, you know what I mean? So yeah, it was really weird, but yeah, thankfully that's fine, and I really hope it doesn't happen to any of my other accounts that I've worked really hard on. Like, I mean, I'm glad it was TikTok, not something else, but it makes you really think. It makes you really quite paranoid as well. I'm like, did someone report me? Does someone just do it to, I don't know, and then TikTok probably just deletes your page. I don't know. So I don't know if my page is fully gone or if it's possible to get it back, or if when it's deleted, it's deleted. I have no idea. Anyway, if it's not back in like a week, I'll probably just start another one. I started a home one because I think it's probably better if I start keeping stuff a bit more separate, and I'll do my main one for mostly like fashion and beauty and that kind of thing. Sorry, the dog's crying. Okay. So it's very weird. I have 5 minutes left, and as usual, I'm taking so long. Of course, he comes straight back in 1 second after I let him out. Oh, hiya. Oh no, it's because he wanted Honey to come in. Honey was outside. Good girl, Honey. Yeah, so it's kind of a weird one, isn't it? I'm a bit confused, like, who reported me? Or else maybe they didn't, I don't know. What can you do? That's the thing, you just don't know. So yeah, I'm using the like matching powder now for that matches its essence. The concealer that I used. So it's like, yeah, it's perfect. I've got dry skin, so I don't need too much powder, and I also like quite a dewy look, so it's mostly like around my eyes and stuff where it sometimes wrinkles that I really need to focus on, and I just throw it in the other few slightly oily areas to kind of set it a little bit. I probably won't even bother with bronzer today because the colour is quite nice. What do you guys think? Comment below what you think, or if you tried it, or if you're going to try it as well. I love to chat about stuff like this. We'll start a little chat down below in the comments. I'd love that. Yeah, and then this is my favourite blush in the whole world. It's Milani Baked Blush in the shade Luminoso. It's number 5. I love this. It really makes a massive difference. It makes you look really just healthy and like natural, instead of having like just foundation all over your face. Like, do you remember how we used to do our makeup in like school? Well, how I used to do my makeup in school. It's like just the one colour all over. Thanks, but no thanks. And also the same colour lips as well. I'd leave my lips like that. I'd probably put more on them, to be honest, and then I'd bring out my foundation to refoundation my lips. Or else I wear bright pink lipstick. It was one or the other. So bad. Okay, I'll just do a tiny little bit of highlighter. Do I have any sprays around? I don't really have time to be looking for a setting spray, but I'd usually spray that with a setting spray. But I'm going to use a little bit and whatever. I don't have the time. So yeah, that is done. And then I am going to do my brows next. I love this brow gel. It's from Essence, so cheap, so reasonable. This is my second one of them now. I love them so much. And this is just like a brownie colour, but I'm sure, oh yeah, this is number 2, brownie brows. There's other colours though too. This one definitely suits me the best. I actually could do with plucking and tinting my brows. It's been a while, I think. And then I just need to do my lips and my mascara. Guys, every single mascara honestly goes underneath my eyes. Like, I thought I found one before, but I didn't, so yeah, it doesn't work for me. I think actually, no, I actually don't think that one works. I think I don't know why. I'm not sure. I even use this underneath. It's like a primer, and it's still bloody usually waterproof mascara still runs down my face because my eyes are so watery. So I love that for me. It's not one of my dogs, that's some other bloody dog. I think this is the Bad Llama Be Perfect one. Is probably the one that runs the least on me. I think it doesn't. I can't remember for sure, so I don't want to tell you that it definitely doesn't, if you get me. And then I'll be brown browed. And now we just want to do some lips. This is my new favourite lip gloss at the moment. It's also Essence. It's a plumping lip filler. It's like you can feel it like tingling and working. I'm going to do probably just that with a bit of lip liner. This is just a mixed one. I just took whatever one's in the bag. I've got loads of just nude ones that are really similar. Like 100 really similar ones. This one is the shade London. I like this one. It's not too nude. It's like got a bit of colour in it. It's very nice for like during the day. Won't bother overlining my lips for meeting my family. And yeah, kind of like just a clear lip gloss over a bit of liner and foundation. It's quite nice. I can already feel my lips tingling. Okay, so we're ready to go. That's my quick, like less than 15 minutes, probably 5 minutes makeup if I'm not chatting. And I also did my hair too, and it's been like 15 minutes. So yeah, hope you enjoyed. I'll see you in the next one. I might do like a Q&A type of other get ready with me, because I haven't really answered questions and done that kind of chatty sort of thing in a while. God, that dog's relentless. Anyway, yeah, I better get going because as usual I'm on a tight schedule. So I'll see you guys in the next one. I hope you enjoyed this vid. I'll leave all the products that I used below, the SOSU ones and all the other ones as well, a little product list for you, and all the links. So if you want to buy anything, go ahead. If you don't, you don't have to at all. So yeah, I better get going now. I'll see you guys later. Bye.